Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you on an incredible journey to one of India's hidden gems, Chikkamagaluru. Trust me, this place is pure magic. First off, let's talk about the natural beauty that Chikkamagaluru has to offer. Picture this. Lush green hills as far as the eye can see, covered in dense forests and sprawling coffee plantations. The sight of endless rows of coffee plants laden with ripe cherries is a visual treat you won't forget. And oh, the waterfalls, Hebe Falls, Jari Falls, Kalhadi Falls, each more majestic than the last. These cascading waterfalls offer a refreshing escape and a chance to witness the sheer power of nature. If you're into trekking, you have to check out Mullayanagiri Peak, the highest peak in Karnataka. The panoramic views from the summit are absolutely breathtaking. And the trek itself? A rewarding challenge for any adventure enthusiast. For all you wildlife lovers, Kudremukh National Park is a must-visit. Home to elephants, tigers, leopards, and a diverse range of flora and fauna, this park is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Now, let's delve into Chikkamagaluru's rich cultural heritage. The Baba Budangiri range holds religious significance, especially for Muslims, as it's believed to be the place where Baba Budan, a Sufi saint, introduced coffee to India. Then there's Kalasa, home to the revered Annapurneshwari temple, a major pilgrimage site for Hindus. And let's not forget Chikkamagaluru's deep-rooted coffee culture. Here, you can learn about the coffee-making process, enjoy freshly brewed coffee, and even visit coffee plantations. For the adventure junkies out there, Chikkamagaluru won't disappoint. With a variety of trekking trails ranging from easy to challenging, there's something for everyone. How about camping under a star-studded sky amidst serene natural surroundings? Sounds perfect, right? And if you're looking for an adrenaline rush, try waterfalls rappelling. Yes, you heard that right. Rappelling down the cascading waterfalls is an exhilarating experience you won't want to miss. So there you have it. Chikkamagaluru, a perfect blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and thrilling activities. Whether you're looking for a peaceful getaway or an adventurous escape, this destination has it all. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!